Okay, take it to Cartman's garage to the south. Watch out for the cops. Stick around. Cartman's going to open it up. What the hell is that?